What's the deal, 2 Live Gang? You already know. Another banger. But as y'all see by the title, today I am going to Milan Dragway. I got a couple of my boys that's already up there. They already there because, you know, I had to get this working in today, you know, make this pay. But they already there. So as y'all see, we not in the Camaro. We about to go pick the Camaro up right now. And then we probably got to get some gas. Probably, I don't know. So y'all know the routine. Then we're gonna go to Milan. I might put the car on the track today to see what it do. I don't know yet. I kind of want to wait until I put the drag radios and stuff on the car and get it to my perspective. So I don't know what we're gonna do. I don't know if it is, if it ain't, you know, I don't know. But probably when we get there, somebody gonna probably call the car out because they're gonna hear the cam and stuff like that. Y'all already know how I go with this man, you know. So I'll catch y'all when I get in the car. Like that, I showed y'all the outside. We in the mirror. I did stop and get some gas, but I did not record it because I was on. Oh man, I was on the phone. I didn't record it because I was on the phone. And then I was gonna show y'all some pulls and stuff, but it was a little Subaru that was trying to race me. I had to blow him in the water real quick, and then it was just, I don't know if y'all just heard that. It was it looked like a RS Focus. He was trying to cut up, but I was on this rear end, and then he was like, he did that, I don't know, but he did that. So as y'all know, we are 14 minutes away from Milan, so we're gonna see what's going on. I know my boy said there's a few cars up there, so we're gonna get these cars and this content, man. Let's get it rolling for 2023. I'll catch y'all when I get there. Who you got, KB?
Right side. I need the right side.
man.
I was in camera last time that Mustang. And that's when we got to take the match.
Yeah, the green tape. I ain't never seen that either. That was sticky weird.
Did you have a good time today? Awesome. I know I did. I appreciate you hanging out with me. Screaming Scott Bob. Tomorrow, so
We about to see.
Big Jim's house.
That GTO sound good. Hey, that bitch went 9-1. I wonder where he about to run.
No, we need to be on that side.
Oh my God.
They're your Metro Parks. Reel it up.
See, man, we got the real Tez out here, man, with the pink mobile.
Motorcycle him. Yeah.
See what he finna do. As y'all seen, man, them was some races and some clips out there at Milan. I got my boy KB behind me. You know, he in that fast thing, Mero, you know what I'm saying? He up next. You know, so I know y'all seen last video, so make sure y'all go give him a follow and stuff like that, man. But other than that, man, no, I did not run the Mero. Y'all seen Tez, he did some pretty good runs out there too, man. So shout out to him, bringing his car up, let me record it and do when he did those runs and shit. But other than that, man, that's looking like a wrap for this video. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one.